Omwejo gwagwira mu swimming pool babire bizire kurambura muri Kasese a hotel ya Springs International eri kushangwa mu base camp Upper Central Division omuri Kasese municipality. Vincent Twesjuri omugambirizi wa polisi bwa Rwenzori East yahamza makuraga ngo omwejo gwaferire mu swimming pool.
Kasule Alan, male aged between 18 to 19, drowned himself in waters yesterday in a pool. They were here for a tour, and after they went for swimming with the company of their administrators, or the school administrators of the school of ours.
Twesije nayongera ngo amakora gatungirwe ngoreka ngo omwejogu nabasa kwabira atari kumanya kuzahamezi.
So this student, I think, didn't know how to swim or got a problem, and they realized it in the morning that he was missing when they were doing a roll call. And in the morning, our inspector Chebet, with the supervisor around, with the cleaner called Baruku Gerard, found the body on top of water, and they informed us.
Ugaruganiraho na TV West yahamize ko hariho abantu babiri bamazire kwatwa kubasa kweraho polisi mu kuchondoza.
Two people in our custody. One is the teacher who was attached to these students when they were going to the pool side. It was his negligence. We shall charge him of negligence. And we have another person whom they have been using here as their coordinator. And we have them, and we hope we can get more clues and information which will help us in our investigations.
Nka TV West kirira barukura Springs International Hotel kugira ngo tubase kwate bishani no kubasa kumanyesha kubasa kwakirijeho kufa ko mwejogu bite byona tubaschere abo bo musirikare rukure yo kwerinda mu manyogu atugizire ngo tuzaha polisi tugambira hanshongeze.
Follow us in police, we say we had a wrong. You will get what you want with information, because there's anything you get the information. I don't think there's something can be hidden and hidden what it's not. It's impossible. So you can do anything, you go fast, you come back later.
Polisi arabwira babona bineza swimming pool kugira ngo bazahabuzora misho baba bina bajenyo mwanya gwabo. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.